Hello everyone, and welcome to this first ever speedrun video of OpenEdX. What's a speedrun of OpenEdX? It's not completing OpenEdX, it's completing an installation of OpenEdX, the LMS that scales. So, I am Régis Bémot. I am a VP of Engineering at Edly, and I am also the creator of Tutor. Tutor is the open source, Docker-based distribution for OpenEdX designed for peace of mind. And it is the official community distribution for OpenEdX. So what is going to happen in this video? I'm going to be installing OpenEdX on a live production server. And I'm going to be doing it live. I've trained for this, but this is the first time that I'm actually publishing a video for that. So I am going to start from scratch by launching a server, which is going to be a droplet on DigitalOcean. There I'm going to SSH and install Docker, create a dedicated user. I will install Tutor there, and while Tutor is being installed, I will be configuring the DNS records, because we need a production-ready installation. For that, we need HTTPS and we need domain name records. Then I will be running Tutor local launch, which will bootstrap the platform. And I will also use a few hacks to shave off a few minutes of the installations. Things that might not be recommended at home, but which should work, hopefully, here. Okay, so the rules of the game are very simple. We should end up with working LMS and CMS, no 500 error, and I may not use any copy pasting, because that would be way too easy, right? In particular, the launching the droplet thing is going to be tricky, and also installing Docker, because I am a terrible typist. That's one thing, terrible typist. And second, I have a very loud keyboard, which I love to hit very hard for some reason. So it's going to be very loud in microphone. Sorry about that. I'm not new to this streaming thing. Okay, so I guess we're ready to go. So since I'm such a terrible typist, it's going to be very difficult for me to speak and type at the same time. I might mumble a few weird things. Second, I have a cheat sheet, which I printed with some of the trickiest stuff that I need to type. And that's about it. Okay, and off we go. I start by launching a droplet. Compute droplet, create of size C8, that's 8 processors. In the Amsterdam region, it's going to be running Ubuntu 2204 on an x64 architecture. SSH key, I already have my SSH keys in DigitalOcean. I need to type the ID of my key, and I'm going to wait until it's ready, and I'm going to be calling it speedrun. There you go. Okay, while this is running, I can do ctl compute SSH, prepare the next command, which is going to be compute SSH speedrun. And I also need to prepare the IP address, get speedrun. No, it's not speedrun, it's speedrun. Okay. Not ready yet, not ready yet, not ready yet. In the meantime, I'm going to configure the DNS record. So I'm going to create an A record for the LMS. It's going to be running at learn.speedrun.xyz, and the IP address is going to be S164.92.03.203. There you go. Is this working now? Yes, it's working now. Yes, I want to log in. Okay, I'm logged in as root. Let's start tmux. Yay! I'm going to install Docker. Next step here, install Docker. There you go. So curl, I'm going to download the GPG key. Download docker.com. I think I'm on base so far. This is the trickiest bit because I have such bad fingers. Okay, I had downloaded the GPG key. Docker.this. Let's create an apt configuration file. I point to the GPG file, should just download it in the keyring. Docker.gpg, HTTPS. Did I mention that I'm a bad typist? There's a missing bracket, it's here. Also Vim, yay, I love Vim. Let's update. I'm getting Docker, and then I'm going to install Docker C and Docker Compose plugin and Python pip, which is going to install Python, which we need to install Docker. In the meantime, I'm going to add a user with no password. I'm going to call it OpenEdX. There you go. Yes, SU OpenEdX. And I'm going to add this user OpenEdX to the Docker group. Once, Docker is installed, so I can, let's log in as OpenEdX user and pip install Tutor and a few plugins. Tutor Indigo, Tutor Forum, and also Tutor MFE plugin. I want Tutor plugins enable MFE, Indigo, form. So these should be enabled by default. I just want to enable the form as well. Oh no, so that's because Tutor was installed there. Tutor local bin Tutor local launch. There you go. Yes, I'm configuring it, and I'm going production learn.speedrun.xyz. That's the studio address. This is correct. This is correct. Yes. Activate SSL. Why not? I want SSL. Why is it off by default? That's strange. I think that's a bug. Tutor, I should fix it. Okay, I think we're on pace. That's good. So I have installed the user. I forgot to update the speedrun timer. I've installed Tutor. I have configured. No, I haven't configured DNS records. So add record there. So I need to configure IP. So it's going to be. Did I already create this? 164. Did I already create this? Then I need to create a CNAME, add record. CNAME for star.learn. It's going to point to learn.speedrun.xyz. Create. Okay, I hope I did this in time. So I need to type this local bin Tutor and this obnoxious thing because Tutor is not, the local bin is not in the path. So let's edit our bash rc and modify the path. You should also be doing this on your server, I think. Let's create a new shell, su open edX, which Tutor, there you go, yes, it is up. And I'm anxious to see if Caddy has fetched SSL certificates. Yes, it looks like. Yes, it looks like it's working. We have errors here, but that's because the server is not up yet. That's hackers already trying to hack into the server. That's good. We have an SSL server running. That's cool. We are on pace. Okay, what next? I have updated my path. I want to copy my SSH key from root, my authorized keys to the OpenX users. So yes, I need to copy the authorized keys and then change the owner. No copy pasting. Okay, then I should be able to SSH like this. OpenX at learn.speedrun.xyz, provided the DNS records have been updated. Yes, it works. Amazing. I love it. Okay, so we are currently running the LMS migrations, and this takes a very long while. So at this point, if you are doing this on your server, you can stop and just wait, and eventually you will have a server running. But I want to shave off a couple of minutes, and also I also want to have like more features. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to install a few additional plugins, and these are all in the Tutor full package. I can check the DNS records are ready, have been propagated correctly. Yes, they are propagated. Yay! And Studio as well. No, Studio is not propagated? That's not good. Did I? The CNAME is, oh no, it's because it's a CNAME. Yes, that's good, that's good. Learn. Oh, that's bad. It points to this. No, I think it's a mistake from DNS checker. Let's check here that the records are correct. Studio.learn.speedrun.xyz. Oh no, that's bad. That's bad. It shouldn't be this. Oh, there you go. I'm missing a dot. Ah! Okay, don't forget this. How did Caddy manage to fetch the SSL records if it did not have the right CNAME? I'm going to restart Caddy just in case. You cannot restart Caddy at any point, at all points. You can restart it only at some points. So while the LMS is running the migrations, it should not be making any requests to Caddy. So I think that we should be able to restart Caddy now. And solving challenges, or it will fail in valid order. This is bad. This is bad. Could not get certificate from issuer. We are not on pace anymore. How am I going to solve this? I could configure the CMS to run in a different domain name, but that wouldn't work, no. The new CNAME has still not propagated fully. Oh, information, DNS records. So it is failing to fetch the SSL certificates for the MFEs. Oh, what I can do is make a catch-all. That would be bad, right? Let's try this. CNAME all to speedrun.xyz. Create. I'm going. So this is a small fix to like make sure that the DNS records will be correct. So you shouldn't be doing this on your own servers. You shouldn't have to do this. So at some point migrations will fail if the SSL records are not right. So bottom line, if you have time, configure the DNS records before you run through the local launch. Definitely. Okay, let's assume that it's all going to work out eventually. I'm going to install a few extra plugins. Plugins enable Android notes. Tutor config save. And then Tutor images build Android. Can I just Tutor local start D? So I need to build the Android image, the Android app image. Build, there you go. And this is going to take a while. So in the meantime, I'm going to enable autocompletion for Tutor because it's such a pain to autocompletion is actually super useful in Tutor. I use it all the time, and you should too. Bash, okay, and we should append this to the bash rc file. And now I should be able to do source the bash rc, and now I should be able to images build engine. Yes, and it's auto-completing. What does caddy say? Local logs f caddy. It looks like he did manage to get the DNS record, the SSL certificates for the studio. Let's try it out. Studio.learn.speedrun.xyz. So my browser does not have the DNS records yet. What about learn.speedrun.xyz? Yes, so we have an LMS working. That's amazing. That might be because they have already started the migrations are done for the LMS. Okay, so let's create a user. Local do create user regis at bimo.com, and I'm going to make this a super user, and I'm going to make it a staff. Password is 1234. Please don't hack my platform. Are we on pace? Yes, we are on pace. Speed run, they were missing. Wait, what? What? Why is it redirecting me? No, I don't want to be redirected. Please clear cache. No. No, clear cache, please, 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 please. Network, disable cache. Disable cache. Okay, can you please clear the redirect cache? Oh, come on. Why? Speed. Yes. So SSL records are correct for apps. What about Studio? Still not. Why is this not working? Oh, there's still this learn a speedrun. So I'm going to, just to have the studio working in my local environment, I'm going to edit my etc hosts file. Is this a good idea? Okay. I'm going to explicitly set the IP address. So 164.90.203.203. 164.90.203. It's easy to remember. Studio.learn.speedrun.xyz. Let's try again. Yes, we have a studio. Can we sign in? Yes, we did create the user, so we can sign in. Oh, and we are on pace. Yay! No? Oh, yes, it works. It is working. Stop the timer. No, wait, the Android app is still not running. Pure local start D, and then pure local do init limit equals Android. I'm going to do the same pure local do init limit equals notes, but because I manually enabled the notes plugin. To local restart platform to make sure that all services are oh. And I'm going to import the demo course through local do import demo course. Demo. Okay. Ah! Are you kidding me? Explore courses. Yay! And we have a time. Okay. Hand timer. 22 minutes, 10 seconds, and 13 hundredth of a second. That's good. That's good. So it means that it is possible to launch OpenEdX in less than 20 minutes. And that's with all bells and whistles. That includes an Android app, forum, student notes, well, basically all the plugins that are here. And then once you have everything running, then you can manually enable the Cairn plugin for real-time, fully customizable analytics. Maybe you want to enable also Web UI to configure your platform from like to access Tutor from a nice web interface. So yeah, that's it. To learn more about Tutor, of course, as always, the place is doctutor.edley.io. And yeah, that's all I got. Okay. See you soon for another record. Then maybe try to improve the time. And I hope that other people will try this too. That was fun. See you soon.